It's like 3 in the morning. Sitting up here with Tommy. We act like we're some fucking insomniacs. You know what I'm saying? Tommy has to be at work at like 6 in the morning. Tomorrow's Sunday. I'm off, so I'm good. But I'll be up this time of night anyway. So anyway, this is just a random video. I was on YouTube checking out some people's video, checking out Tommy's video. Check him out, Code 730, one word. Check out his page. He's getting started with his blogs and his vlogs. And you know, if you're in the Atlanta area particularly, he's gonna put you on to some good shit. And you can put him on to some good shit as well. So check him out. That is Code 730, CODE 730. Shameless plug is what it is. But that's it. Check out my friend Tommy.